The University of Colorado A-Line was a game-changer when it opened in 2016. RTD needed a facility that could meet the unique needs and challenges of commuter rail, and the Commuter Rail Maintenance Facility, or CRMF for short, does just that. This award-winning 230,000 square foot facility in Denver's Globeville neighborhood houses about 220 operators, mechanics, and other staff who maintain, clean, and store the vehicles that serve the University of Colorado A-Line, G-Line, B-Line, and in the near future, the N-Line. By the end of the day, every single train in the commuter rail fleet returns to CRMF for inspection and maintenance, which is required by the Federal Railroad Administration. In addition, all trains are cleaned by a vendor each and every night. CRMF has just about everything that mechanics need to make sure the cars are ready for the rails. The facility features several on-site shops, devices, and presses for maintaining and repairing parts, and stores most parts on-site as well. When a mechanic needs a part, they place an order through the CRMF work order system. The system locates the part they need, and a vertical conveyor belt brings the part forward for the worker to use. Safety is the top priority at CRMF. The facility has a number of features designed to ensure worker safety. One of the many items is the in-floor hoist systems that can lift an entire married pair of cars so that mechanics and inspectors can stand beneath the cars while they work rather than stoop, kneel, or lie down. The hoist systems add an additional layer of safety by supporting the cars from below rather than above so that workers are never working below a suspended load. Not only is CRMF committed to rider and worker safety, the Commuter Rail Maintenance Facility is also committed to environmental stewardship. The facility has taken careful measures to conserve energy and reduce waste, including the use of skylights as well as a massive gray water collection system which filters out the oils and solids left over from cleaning the vehicles. These environmentally conscious features earned CRMF a LEED Gold certification, making CRMF the first commuter rail maintenance facility in the U.S. to receive such a distinction. As RTD continues to lead the way in innovative public transit, the Commuter Rail Maintenance Facility leads the way in safety and environmental innovations, and will continue to support the growth of commuter rail in the Denver area.
Quickly,